Bugatti Baby. Introducing the Bugatti Baby 2. A stunning homage to the legendary Bugatti Type 35, now in a 75% scale and fully electric. Whether you're a child or a child at heart, the Baby 2 offers a thrilling ride with multiple driving modes. Start with the novice mode, cruising at 45 km/h, or unlock the expert mode with the speed key for an adrenaline-pumping 68 km/h. But the excitement doesn't end there. The Baby 2 lineup offers something for every enthusiast, from the base model starting at $36,600 USD to the luxurious Carbon Edition inspired by the W16 Mist Saint, priced at approximately $84,500 USD. Each meticulously hand-built car boasts high-quality components and features a genuine solid silver Bugatti macaron, ensuring not just a ride but an experience of exclusivity and craftsmanship. With only 500 units available, the Bugatti Baby 2 is not just a car, it's a coveted collector's gem. Gekkon Snow. Introducing the Gekkon Snow by Motax, a thrilling electric snowmobile crafted specifically for adventurous souls aged 3 to 9. With its innovative triangular track module and wide plastic skis bolstered by metal reinforcement, this sleek machine ensures optimum clearance and traction, guaranteeing a safe and exciting ride through snowy terrains. Built to withstand the test of time, its robust metal frame coupled with hydraulic disc brakes and adjustable shock absorbers promises both durability and reliability. But it's not just about performance. The Gekkon Snow prioritizes safety and convenience with features like remote engine control, speed limiter, and a bright front headlight for added visibility. Its silent, emission-free operation not only provides an exhilarating experience, but also makes it a perfect fit for urban parks. Priced at around $1,300 USD, the Gekkon Snow invites young adventurers to embark on snowy escapades with confidence and style. Tao Motor Jeep under die Reducycle. Embark on thrilling adventures with the Tao Motor Jeep 125cc, the ultimate go-kart designed for youth seeking both excitement and safety. Powered by a robust 107C air-cooled 4-stroke engine and featuring a fully automatic transmission with reverse, it promises smooth rides for riders of all levels. Safety is paramount with the inclusion of a 4-point safety harness and hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring peace of mind for both beginners and experienced drivers alike. The 2023 model not only delivers on performance but also on style, boasting vibrant new color options and flashy decals that turn heads on and off the track. With adjustable seats and a speed limiter, the Tao Motor Jeep 125cc adapts to growing riders while maintaining top-notch safety standards. Priced at just $1,999 USD, it's an affordable ticket to endless fun and unforgettable memories on the road less traveled. HyperGoGo GoKart. Experience the thrill of racing with the HyperGoGo GoKart kit, the ultimate accessory to transform your ordinary hoverboard into a turbocharged go-kart. Whether you're a kid with dreams of Formula One glory or an adult seeking an adrenaline-fueled adventure, this kit is your ticket to the fast lane. With its adjustable frame catering to all sizes and a collapsible design for easy portability, the HyperGo GoKart kit ensures that the excitement of the track is never out of reach wherever you go. Equipped with shock absorbers for a smooth ride, a plush seat for comfort, and disc brakes for safety, the HyperGo GoKart kit combines performance and peace of mind. Compatible with most hoverboards on the market except for 9-bot models, this versatile accessory promises hours of fun for the whole family. With prices ranging from $399 to $449 USD, The HyperGoGo GoKart kit is a small investment for big thrills on the go. Batmobile Ultimate Kids. Embark on an adventure of epic proportions with the Batmobile Ultimate Kids, a thrilling ride-on vehicle that brings the mystique and excitement of Gotham City to your doorstep. With its sleek design and Batman-themed decals, this miniature marvel isn't just a toy. It's a gateway to imagination where every corner turned is a new chapter in the saga of justice and heroism. Complete with lights and sound effects reminiscent of the iconic vehicle from the movies and comics, the Batmobile Ultimate Kids is more than just a ride. It's a beacon of hope in the darkness, empowering young heroes to defend truth and justice with every journey. As children rev their engines and take to the streets in their own Batmobile, they're not just playing. They're becoming part of something bigger, channeling the courage and determination of the Dark Knight himself. With each turn of the wheel, they're reminded that heroes come in all sizes, and that even the smallest among us can make a difference in a world full of challenges and adventure. Scania S73 Minitruck. Step into the world of miniature marvels with the Scania Minitruck, a pint-sized powerhouse designed to ignite the imagination of young adventurers. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, these scaled-down replicas capture the essence of their full-sized counterparts, from the iconic grille to the sturdy frame. Powered by an electric motor, these mini-trucks offer more than just a ride-on experience. They embody the spirit of exploration and discovery for budding truck enthusiasts. However, the journey into this world of wonder comes with a price tag that reflects the craftsmanship and quality embedded in every inch of these miniature marvels. With a retail price exceeding $3,200 USD for a fully finished spray-painted model. Lewis Mini Boat. Embark on aquatic adventures like never before with the Lewis Mini Boat, a one-of-a-kind creation that rides the waves with style and spirit. Crafted with care by a devoted gearhead father, this miniature ski boat pays homage to family legacy and the thrill of childhood imagination. Inspired by memories of grand adventures aboard the grandfather's Lewis ski boo, this custom-built marvel brings joy to young hearts and sets sail for boundless fun on tranquil lakes or expansive pools. While the Lewis Mini Boot lacks a conventional price tag, its value transcends mere monetary considerations. It represents the ingenuity of DIY craftsmanship, the joy of shared experiences, and the timeless bond between generations. As it skims across the water's surface, propelled by a 26cc two-stroke engine and guided by youthful hands, the Lewis Mini Boot embodies the spirit of exploration and the boundless possibilities that await on the shimmering horizon. Tesla Cyberquad for Kids. Buckle up for an electrifying adventure with the Tesla Cyberquad for Kids, a thrilling ride-on inspired by the sleek design of Tesla's Cybertruck. Crafted with a full steel frame and equipped with adjustable suspension, this all-electric ATV promises a smooth and comfortable journey for young explorers aged 8 and up. With rear disc braking and LED light bars, safety meets style as kids zip around with ease. Packed with power, the Cyberquad boasts a 36V lithium-ion battery and a 500W motor. 300SL Roadster Junior Car. Buckle up for a journey back in time with the 300SL Roadster Junior Car, a luxurious homage to the iconic 1950s Mercedes-Benz masterpiece. Crafted with precision at a 60% scale, this junior car boasts stainless steel bumpers, a classic interior, and ventilated disc brakes, delivering a taste of vintage elegance for young adventurers. Designed for those up to 180 centimeters tall, it's a miniature marvel that packs a punch. Powered by a 4-stroke 100cc petrol engine capable of reaching speeds of up to 75 km/h. With a fiberglass body adorned in 2K DuPont paint, this junior car isn't just a ride, it's a statement piece. Priced starting from $221,000 USD, it's a luxury investment in both nostalgia and adventure, offering a timeless experience that transcends generations. So ignite the engine, feel the wind in your hair, and embark on a journey of exploration and excitement in this exquisite junior car. Willys MB Junior Jeep. Step back in time and embark on a journey of nostalgia with the Willys MB Junior Jeep, a charming homage to the iconic vehicle that traversed the battlefields of World War II. Designed for both children and collectors, this scaled-down replica faithfully captures the essence of the original, with its unmistakable military green exterior and classic design elements. Powered by a small petrol engine, it offers young adventurers the chance to explore their surroundings on private property while evoking a sense of history and adventure. Yet, the allure of the Willys MB Junior Jeep goes beyond mere recreation. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of a vehicle that symbolizes courage, resilience, and innovation. Whether it's a vintage collectible steeped in history or a modern reproduction crafted with precision,